Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. Did it yesterday, and another nice day, so some updates here definitely need to be made. First updates I'm going to do are just some house cleaning things, and going to get rid of these lines here and here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update though comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0.029 as support, but now that the price is broken above it, you would want to see it act as support, and that's exactly what it's been doing. You can see this afternoon on several occasions, bears try to press down through there, but the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong as support. Now, if the price does drop below there, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the strongest? Definitely holding up above 0.029. From the big picture perspective, and like I said, if you've been watching the past videos, then this will be a little case of deja vu here. It's all about our moving averages now. As long as the price stays above the purple line, but especially from the big picture perspective, that pink line, which is the 200 period, purple line being the 50 period, then as far as the overall trend is concerned, the bulls are in full control. So yes, 0.029 would be fantastic, but if it doesn't hold above it, assuming you care about the long-term trend, as long as the price remains above the moving averages, then the bulls are in full control. What about levels of resistance? So for this, we're going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So where are some of these next potential battlegrounds? As it stands now, looking at things, essentially the next level of resistance is just the previous highs that the price managed to get up. When was that? Back in late January, and that's up there at 0.032. So 0.032, where the price eventually got rejected from there, that'll be the next key level of resistance. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's done the past few days, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. So next week should be very interesting. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.